So for every cheer, every unforgettable moment, one man carried the hopes of millions. This is not just a football story. This is Ghana's story. Asamoah Gyan, forever a legend, forever our captain. I think we can still do better for And you see, before it became very common, let me say that Asamoah Gyan made a very decisive move when he went to play club football in UAE and in China. He was among one of the top footballers. In fact, a lot of people didn't want to go to China, but he made that move and everybody started going to China. And so DJ Drogba went there. A lot of players started going to China to play club football. So please, he's always going to open the gate for a lot of people. Let's appreciate him once again. So we have a lot to